Hey Canva creatives, welcome back to the SkillsForge Pro channel. Today, we're testing out the DressUp AI app on Canva. After the last app, Virtual Try-On, didn't quite give us the results we were hoping for. So we've got our model image and the red Hugo Boss jacket ready to go. I'll type shirt to tell the app what part of the image I want to change and hit Transform Image. Let's see what happens. Tick-tack. And done! The jacket has transformed into a short-sleeve shirt instead of a full jacket, which is a bit strange, but overall it still looks pretty clean and well-generated. It's not exactly what I expected, but it's a fun experiment. Let me know in the comments what you'd like us to test next, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time on SkillsForge Pro.